Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki.
And today we're going to install another Ring camera. And this time we're installing the new Ring stick-up cam. You see it? It's right up there. Join us as we show you how we got this installed. This is the new Ring stick-up cam wired, which can be used indoors or outdoors. It can be attached to the ceiling, wall, or even a tabletop. Here I'm changing the mount so it can be hung on the wall. Next, I plugged in the power cable, opened the Ring app on my iPhone, and I'm going through the prompts for setup. Once set up, we can see ourselves. We determine the placement and screw the camera into place with the included screws. The mount has a level built in so we could be sure it was nice and straight. We placed the cover on top, secured it, and we're done. We secured the power cable with the included hardware. I checked the camera on my phone to determine the perfect placement. It blends in really well with our white walls. What we learned. The first thing we learned is this is just as easy as all the other Ring cameras to install. The nice thing about this one is it includes an indoor and an outdoor cable, so depending on where you want to put it, you're all set.
Now you're probably wondering, why do we put this camera in the garage facing the door? Well, there's a couple of reasons for that. A lot of times we like to keep the door open if we paint it in here just to air it out, but we don't want to be in here, so we can monitor the door, the open door from the camera. And also Steph can see if I'm in here and doing my job.
Sometimes I'll text her and she doesn't text me back, so now I can get on the camera and I can say, Mom, hey, what you doing? It's not creepy at all, I'm pretty sure.
It's really not.
No? It's not. One other thing though is we actually installed one of these cameras at my house, so I can now check in on my new dog Mac to see if she's doing okay when I'm here at the workshop, so that's a really cool feature. So if you like this project, you want to see more from us and see more smart products, check us out at motherdaughterprojects.com and subscribe right here on YouTube. Click the bell and be alerted to all new projects. What?
Right there.
Yeah. Okay, so what we learned.
Super simple.